How to connect Claude to Apple Calendar. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude with Apple Calendar on your iPhone. With the latest Claude app, you can check your schedule, find free time slots, and create calendar events using simple prompts. So let's get started. First, you gotta make sure you're using the latest version of the Claude application on your iPhone. Open the app and simply sign into your account. Calendar features are available through the Claude iOS app only. So the first time Claude needs access to your calendar, it will ask for permission. So let's say I'm gonna ask it what's on my calendar today and simply send this prompt. And immediately it will ask you for a permission request. So you're going to simply click on allow once, always allow or don't allow. And now it would say Claude would like full access to your calendar. So simply click on allow full access. And now you can see it says your calendar is clear for today. Nothing scheduled for Saturday, June 6th. So you can ask Claude questions such as when am I free this week and press send. And now you can see that Claude will go through your calendar and check it whether you're free this week or not. So you can also ask Claude to create events by saying things like schedule a dentist appointment next Friday at 10 a.m. Claude will prepare the event and add to your Apple Calendar. If Claude can't access your calendar, make sure calendar permissions are enabled for Claude in your iPhone settings. Also check that you're using the latest version of the app and try restarting Claude.